I have in my hand the SANYO TV remote control. So this is a replacement remote control for your SANYO TV. It's available with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie. So when you receive the remote control, the best place to start is just go directly onto the product page on freetv.ie, and there is a manual you can download. It's the front page of it here, and basically there's two ways of programming it up. The first thing is you can go with the automatic built-in codes. So you can come along and just hit TV, do the channel up, and it'll work through the sequence of the codes, and when it eventually turns off your TV, you can save that particular code into it. Or the other thing is go into the table that's listed here, enter the code directly for your make SANYO TV. It'll save the code into the remote, and then it'll work at first time every time from there on in. So the overall programming time in this, regardless of which method you use, is definitely less than 2 minutes. It's worked on all SANYO TVs that we've tested it on to date, so it seems to be very, very comprehensive. There's no quibbles, full guarantee in terms of refunding if it doesn't work, but it shouldn't be a problem. I'd estimate it's about 98% of SANYO TVs out there that we work with. It's part of a much wider range of TV and set-top box remote controls that are available, all with low-cost postal option directly from freetv.ie.